Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer mutual funds with Charles Schwab, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer mutual funds with Charles Schwab, start by logging into your Charles Schwab account. Locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Transfer Funds. Click on the option that says Mutual Fund Transfer. You will be prompted to choose the account from which you select the account holding your mutual funds. Next, choose the account you wish to transfer the funds into. Ensure it is a Schwab account for a seamless transfer. Follow the on-screen prompts to select the specific mutual funds you want to transfer. Enter the amount you wish to transfer for each selected fund. Review your selections carefully to confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Continue button. You may be asked to verify your identity for security purposes. After verification, you will see a summary of your transfer request. Review the summary for any errors or changes needed. If everything looks correct, click Submit to finalize the transfer. You will receive a confirmation number after submitting your request. Keep this number for your records. The transfer process may take several business days to complete. Monitor your account to see when the mutual funds have been successfully transferred. If you have any issues, contact Charles Schwab customer service for assistance. Make sure to check for any fees associated with your transfer. Once completed, you can begin managing your mutual funds in your new account. Stay informed about your investments and adjust your portfolio as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.